Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera. Okay, so in this session, I'm going to give a lecture on the support condition on cables. Okay, so without further ado, let's discuss in detail. Okay, so basically they have a two type of support condition in cables, okay, which is a pin support and a roller support. Okay, so before I'm discuss further in detail on this particular slide, so you need to understand the term of a main cable and the anchor cable. Okay, so due to that, I'm going to use this slide to explain on that particular term. Okay, so basically what you can see here, this is a suspension bridge. Okay, so this suspension bridge comprises of a few elements where you can see that we have anchorage, and this line in the blue color represent for the suspension cable, and we have a deck where the vehicle will move along on this deck. Okay, so and it is consists of a fixed support where this fixed support is a foundation. Okay, so and we have a pylon. It's a big column. It's like a big column, but the specific term we call it this as a pylon. Okay, so let's look on the loads part for this suspension bridge. Okay, so basically all the loads from vehicles will be on the deck. Okay, so all the load from the deck will be transferred to this particular suspender or hanger, and you can see that there is many hanger here which is attached to this particular main cable, and subsequently, so the load will be moved to the main cable, and it will further move to the pylon. Okay, and finally it will be end up at the foundation. Okay, so you can see that here we have a few reaction and forces in the diagram here. Okay, so what you can see here, we have tension in anchor cable. Okay, so and this we have a TA and TB, which is a tension in a main cable. So what we have gone through in a previous class, so we have analyzed cables that are supported by a pin. So let's recall. Okay, so this is the cable that we have analyzed in the previous class. Okay, so this is a free body diagram. So basically, we have calculated the maximum tension in cable and the minimum tension in cable. Okay, so okay, before you can calculate the value of a maximum tension in cable and the minimum tension in cable, so you need to calculate the reaction support. But okay, that where we have a pin support at both ends of the cable. Okay, so in this case. Okay, so our objective basically we wanted to calculate the value of a pressure on tower that represented by the R. Okay, so this RY, and you can see that at this position we have RBY and RBX. Okay, so by assuming that this is a roller support and this is a pin support, so at the roller support, we already know that the only vertical reaction will be on the roller support. Meanwhile, we have two reaction for the pin support. Okay, so based on these conditions of suspension bridge, you can see that this cables is extended to this particular anchor cable, and it will be anchor on the ground. Okay, so at the both sides. Okay, so I hope that you can understand the term of a main cable and the anchor cable based on this suspension bridge. Okay, so later we will return to this particular slide. Okay, so let's discuss in detail on the pin support in the cables. Okay, so this is a pin support in the cable, so where we have a TB and a TB prime, which is represent for the internal forces for the main and the anchor cable respectively. And this is a free body diagram. Okay, shows the forces in cable and the pressure on tower. Okay, which is RBY and RBX. Okay, so for the pin support, the tension in cable for the main cable and the anchor cable is equal, because in a pin support, okay, so the cables is continuous, okay, from the main to the anchor cable. Okay, so that's why right here we can define that the TB prime is equal to TB equal to T. Okay. Okay, so let's look in detail on the free body diagram. Okay, so from this to this free body diagram. Okay, so in the free body diagram, you can see that we have a TB and a TB prime, and this TB and TB primes is positioned in according to the angle. So where this TB is in alpha angle, whereas this TB prime is in beta angle towards this particular vertical line. Okay, so and we have a RBY and a RBX, which is represent for the pressure on tower, or sometimes actually this is a reactions at the on the top of tower. Okay, so by considering the summation of a force in vertical for this particular free body diagram, so you can see that we have a RBY, okay, minus with a TB prime cos beta, okay, from this particular TB prime from the anchor cable, and minus with a TB cos alpha from the main cable is equal to 0. Okay, so to ensure the system in equilibrium, so we need to all the forces must be equal to 0. Okay, rearrange this equation, you will get RBY equal to TB prime cos beta plus TB cos alpha. Okay, so since we have defined that the anchor cable, the tension in anchor cable and the tension in the main cables is equal due to the continuity of cable in the pin support or in the pulley support. So we can reduce this equation into, or you can simplify this equation into this particular equation. Okay, since we have defined that TB prime equal to TB, so the equations become this RBY equal to T in multiplied by in bracket cos beta plus cos alpha. Okay, so okay, this is a pressure on tower for our for the vertical direction. Okay, so by considering the summation of a force in horizontal, so we have RBX to the left, okay, which is in a negative signs, and we have TB prime sine beta to the left, plus with a TB sine alpha to the right. Okay, so rearrange this equation, so you will get RBX equal to this equation. And again, since the tension in the anchor and the main cable for the pin support is equal, okay, so we can reduce this equation to become this equation. Okay, so basically the RBY and RBX is reaction on the tower. And in other words, this is a pressure that exerted on the tower due to these cables. Okay, so due to the main and the anchor cable. Okay, so let's move on the roller support. Okay, so what you can see in the slide, we have a roller support, and you can see obviously the anchor cable here and the main cable is discontinuous or disconnected. Okay, so due to this, the tension in the anchor cables, okay, which is a TB prime, is not equal to the tension in the main cable. Okay, so this is a free body diagram for the roller support condition, where we have RBY in the vertical, which represent for the reaction support, okay, or we call it as a pressure on tower. Okay. So, and we have a TB and a TB prime, which is referred to the tension in main and the anchor cable respectively. Okay, so by considering the summation of force in the vertical, so we have a RBY minus with a TB prime cos beta, which is a component of vertical component of a TB prime, okay, minus with a TB cos alpha, and also the component for the vertical component for the TB, the main cable. So equal to 0, okay, to ensure the point is in equilibrium. Okay, so rearrange the equations, you will get that the RBY equal to TB prime cos beta plus TB cos alpha. Okay, So and by considering the summation of force in horizontal, so we have negative TB prime sine beta from the anchor cable plus TB sine alpha from the main cable. So rearrange this equation, you can see that TB sine alpha equal to TB prime sine beta. So basically, you can reduce the means that you can reduce the numbers of unknown in these equations by using this particular equation. Okay, so in order to solve the value of RBY. Okay, so basically, in order to solve the value or direction on the tower, which is the term RB, the term R, so we need to get the value of tension in the cable, which is in the anchor and the main cable. Okay, so let's we discuss in detail. Let's we look in detail on this particular topic. Let's we discuss on the example. Okay, so okay, let's we discuss on the example 6. Okay, so in the example 6, it's trying to demonstrate on how we can calculate the pressure on tower. Okay, so basically you can see that they have a few questions here. Okay, so what can I say that this example 6 actually is a modification of example 5. So this one. Okay, so all the dimension and all the load is similar, but then in example 6, okay, so we have add up another anchor cable here, so at the point A and at the point B. Okay, so basically the load, the span is exactly similar, the dimension is exactly similar. Okay, so for the item number 1 and the number 2, actually we have done in example 5. Okay, so what you can see here is yeah, for the item number 1 and the item number 2, you can see that the solutions is exactly similar to the example 5. Okay, so okay, why we need to calculate? Okay, why we need to go through on the item number 1 and item number 2? Okay, so basically, what you can see in this diagram. So at point B we have a pin support. Okay, meanwhile at the point A we have a roller support. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to calculate the tension in main cable. Okay, so in order to calculate the tension in main cable, so you need to treat, okay, both of support is a pin support. Okay, it's a pin support. Okay, so that's why due to that you need to calculate the main cable as what we have done in the example 5. Okay, meaning that you need to go through on the item number 1 and item number 2. So you can't skip this particular item number 1 and item number 2. Okay, so this what we have done in the previous class. Okay, so I don't want to explain in detail on this. Okay, so you can see that the maximum tension in cable is 583.095 kN. So the minimum tension in cable is equal to 500 kN. And we have the value of reaction at support. Okay, so which is HA and HB is 500, VA and VB is 300 and 200 respectively. Okay, so let's we focus on this item number 3 and item number 4. Okay, so okay, we want to see how we can calculate the value of tension in anchor cable. Okay, so this is a free body diagram, okay, for the roller support, and this is a free body diagram for the pin support. Okay, so let's we discuss on the roller support. Okay, so basically in the roller support that I have mentioned in the earlier of presentations, so they have only a vertical reaction, okay, which is RAY that you can see here, and we have an anchor cable TA prime and TA. Okay, so and given that the angle here is a 30 degree, okay, so the angle here is a 30 degree. Okay, so what I'm going to explain here and what you will see in this slide, okay, the solution in this slide is not based on this equation. Okay, so it's not based on this equation. Okay, so where this equation is derived based on the beta and alpha. Basically, you can use this equation, but then you need to determine what is the value of beta and what is the value of alpha. So, but in the problem, you can see that that particular angle is not given. Okay, the angle only given based on this based on the direction from these cables towards the horizontal direction. Okay, so okay, don't too rigid with the equation. Okay, let's see how we can solve without using the equation that we have defined previously. Okay, so okay, in this diagram, so we have a RAY and we have forces of a TA prime and TA. Okay, so try to look on the TA. Okay, the tension in a main cable, which okay, so basically this is a resultant. So TA is a resultant, and they have their own component, which is a horizontal and vertical component. Okay, so the vertical component is VA and the horizontal component is HA. Actually, this VA and HA is a value of reactions based on the item number 1. Okay, so the VA and HA is 300 and 500 kilonewton respectively. Okay, so actually we have calculated that value in item number 1 that we have gone through in example 5. Okay, so meanwhile for the TA primes, actually you can get the components, the vertical components and the horizontal components were not shown here. Okay, so since we have the angle of a 30 degree here, okay, so okay, by considering the summation of force in horizontal, so we have negative TA prime cos 30, okay, which is from the anchor cable, plus HA. Okay, so actually this HA is equal to 500 kilonewton. Okay, so 500 kilonewton, and by that you can get the value of tension in anchor cable, which is equal to 577.35 kilonewton. Okay, and by considering the summation of force in the vertical direction, okay, so we have RAY. Okay, so and we have TA prime sine 30, so which is acting downwards. That's why you can see that the sign is negative here, and we have a component of the main cable, which is VA in downward direction, so that's why the sign is negative as well. Okay, so and all the forces is equal to 0 to ensure the equilibrium of points at top of pylon, as you can what you can see in the suspension bridge. Okay, so and simplify this, you can see that the RAY is equal to 588.675 kilonewton. Okay, so this is the value of anchor cable, the value of tension in anchor cable, and this is the value of pressure on tower, or sometimes this can be represented as reaction at tower. Okay, okay, so we have done for the roller. So let's move on the pin support. Okay, so this is a free body diagram. So we have a TB prime and RBY and also the RBX. So this is from the main cables. This is from the anchor cable. So RBY and RBX is pressure on tower, or the support on the support for the cable. Okay, so the angles for this anchor cable is 45 degree from horizontal. Okay, so and by considering the summation of force in horizontal, okay, so we have RBX to the right, and we have TB prime cos 45 also to the right. So that's why it is both of them is a positive sign. And we have HB to the left. Okay. So and again, this value of HB is already obtained from the item 1. Okay, so by looking on this slide, the HB is equal to 500 kilonewton, so similar to the HA. Okay, so simplify this, you can see that the RBX is equal to 119.211 kilonewton. Okay, so and by considering the summation of force in the vertical, we have RBY minus TB prime sine 45 degree. Okay, from the anchor cable. So this basically this is a component for this anchor cable, okay, which is acting downward, and we have a component from the anchor cable which is VB. Okay, so and this value of VB is 200 kilonewtons, and again this is from the item number 1 that we have discussed in detail in example 5. Okay, simplify this. So you can see that the RBY is equal to 580.789 kilonewton. Okay, so and okay, so you can see that the tension in anchor cable for the roller support is a 577.35 kilonewton, where you need to calculate that value, okay, for the roller support. Meanwhile, in the support condition, in the support or the pin support condition, so that's value of anchor cable in a pin support is not necessary to calculate, because the tension in these anchor cables is equal to tension in a main cable. Okay, so that's why you can see that you can't see any value of TB here. Okay, so the step to calculate of a TB prime, because we have defined that TB prime is equal to TB, and we have reduced this into T. Okay, so you have simplified into a single T. Okay, so that's it for the cables, okay, support condition on cables. Okay, so if you have a question regarding with this topic, you may to asking me, okay, in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so by that, okay, we stop here. Okay, see you